Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. And you? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sana. My name is Sana. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from London. I'm from London. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. What did you do today? What did you do today? I went to school, then I played soccer. I went to school, then I played soccer. Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Yes, it was great. I got to see my friends and read a book. Yes, it was great. I got to see my friends and read a book. What's your favorite part of the day? What's your favorite part of the day? I love the evening when I can relax. I love the evening when I can relax. Do you have plans for tomorrow? Do you have plans for tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow I plan to do my homework. Yes, tomorrow I plan to do my homework. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like reading and playing sports. What about you? I like reading and playing sports. What about you? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I enjoy drawing, watching movies. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is soccer or basketball. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. My favorite type is pop or classical. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Yes, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. My family is small. I live with my parents. My family is small. I live with my parents. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. What does your family like to do together? What does your family like to do together? We like to go to the park together. We like to go to the park together. Excuse me, could you repeat that? Excuse me, could you repeat that? Can I have bag, please? Can I have bag, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I didn't understand. I'm sorry, I didn't understand. No problem. No problem. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. These questions and answers will help you speak English confidently. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Kids Fun.